Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to automatically color code specific words or phrases you might want to color code in Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is highlight the range of whatever area you want to do the search for. So I'm going to just highlight the entire worksheet here. And once you've done that, you want to make sure you're underneath the Home tab, and then go ahead and left click on Conditional Formatting, and then go underneath Highlight Cell Rules. And then once you're underneath Cell Rules, I would suggest left clicking on Equal To. So once you've done equal to here, now just type in whatever you want it to match. So let's say true. Anything that says true I want it to highlight. And you see by default it wants to do light red fill with dark red text. Now if you want to do a different color, if you just left inside the drop down here, you can select different options they suggest, or you can go and left click on custom format here. Pick whatever color you want. You can go underneath more colors, select a custom RGB code if you choose to do so. And once you've done that, just left click on OK and OK again. And there you go, guys. You can see we have color coded specific words in Excel. So pretty cool tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.